says less than number 79, number 30. So we got to find the perpendicular bisector of the line that connects these two endpoints. So I want, that doesn't look too good. So I want a line with the opposite reciprocal slope. So I'm going to do my slope of this black line. So that does not look perpendicular, by the way. Sorry. Is this, did you guys want this or not?
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry, my slope doesn't look perpendicular, so I really made it crazy. This is the mysterious red line that is going to be the perpendicular bisector of the line that is connecting these two endpoints, because I think that's what they've asked us for. So I just drew it as a picture. If you know how to do it without drawing it, you don't have to draw it. It doesn't say you have to. I want to use the midpoint method, so I'm going to need a point that this red line goes through, so I can use midpoint. Like, remember midpoint, you add the x's and then divide by 2. Basically, you average the x's. So is that that'll be -2 divided by 2, which is -1. So this point right here is -1, comma, that'd be -10 divided by 2, that'd be -5. And when I look at it, it actually looks like it could be.
Yep.
And then I know my red line, I try to draw it perpendicular, it should be even way more sloped than it is. So now I'm going to find the equation of my red line. So I have a x and a y, but I need m, you know, the slope. So I'll find the slope of this line, and then I'll take the opposite reciprocal. So this looks like it's going, it's going to be 6, or -6 over, -6, and is that like 10? Rise over run. 10. I'm getting -3/5. Am I being bad, or does that seem feasible? Okay, so we're going to say that our new slope for our red line is going to be 5/3. Okay, so we're going to say y equals 5/3 x plus b. Now we're going to use these ones that we found. So we'll plug in -5. Too bad, huh, that it couldn't go with x. It would have canceled out. Thirds times -1. You know?
Yeah.
Did I do it wrong? No, x and y. Sometimes I'll put the x in the wrong spot. So that's just going to be -5/3 plus b equals -5. So add 5/3.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know what 5 plus 5/3 is. I'm just going to ask my calculator.
10/3.
Okay, so -10/3 is equal to b. Okay, so now we have a b and we have an m, and we're all good to go. We say y equals 5/3 x minus 10/3. And now they told us, usually they'll tell you to put it in some crazy weird formula. We want intercept, double intercept, slope intercept.
Slope intercept.
Slope intercept, it's already in, because that's our favorite one. And so that was number 30, and it's perfect.